So in our previous session we have just seen that how we can create a database in Odoo. Now once your database is created, you need to see that how you can install your required apps. So what you need to do, you just need to navigate on the apps module. Here you are already on the apps, so just select here, and now this will show you the available apps in your Odoo. Now you need to select the list view and filter the not installed applications, and just click here, and in the action menu, go into the action menu and select the activate modules. Once you select this, it will start installing all your applications. So now we can see that Odoo has installed various apps from the installation we have done from the app menu. So we can see the Discuss app, Calendar app, Notes, Contacts, CRM, Sales, Dashboard, Point of Sale, Invoicing, Project, Website, E-Learning, Email Marketing, SMS Marketing, Purchase, Inventory, Manufacturing, Repair, Employee, Time Off, Expenses, Lunch, Apps, and then Setting. So this is the way we can install various application in Odoo. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us for more videos.